Hello friends, welcome you all in my teaching YouTube channel Sweta Sankar Teaching. Today we are solving the problems of nightfall in the city of Hyderabad. So don't wasting the time. Let's start. The first question, the comparison show that the city becomes an extension of nature for the poet. And the correct answer is all of the above, because all the three options are related to the nature. The night born like a queen to a sumptuous festival, the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat, the white river that flashes and scintillates curve like a tusk from the mouth of the city gates. So the correct answer is all of the above. The second question, the muezzin calls from the minaret of the mosque. Options are to make a battle cry, to call worshippers to pray, to announce the festivities around the Charminar, to scare away the pigeons. And the correct answer is to call worshippers to pray. Third question, the faces have been called languid because options, they are glowing despite their veils. The trellised balconies are overgrown with flowers and decked with lights. They seem lazy, just standing atop walls and watching the procession go by. The women who stand on the balconies do not participate in the festivities, and the correct answer is they are glowing despite their veils. We are on fourth question. The elephants seem to be moving leisurely because options, they are lazy animals, they are in no hurry, they are huge animals and thus move slowly along the narrow winding lanes. They are huge animals and find it difficult to move in the narrow lanes of the city. And the right answer is they are huge animals and thus move slowly along the narrow winding lanes. The correct answer is C. Question 5. The faces in the balcony are veiled because options, every face is covered with thin cloth. They are mostly women whose faces are covered with thin cloth. They were fearful of being seen. They were hiding something. And the correct answer is they are mostly women whose faces are covered with thin cloth. Number 6 question. The procession was centralized around the famous options, Char Chinar, Char Minar, Char Minaret, City Bridge. And the correct answer is Char Minar. The celebration was around the Char Minar. The last question, 7 number. The Giti has been described as a sumptuous festival because it was a splendid morning of celebrations, because it served tasty meals at the festival, because of the flawless beauty of the night of celebration, and none of the above. And the correct answer is because of the flawless beauty of the night of celebration. Now we are on section B, question answers. Number 1. What has the poet used the similes of the pigeon's throat and the tusk for? Answer. The poet has used the simile of the pigeon's throat for the speckled sky burns. Due to nightfall, the sky is sparkling with blue-colored dots. The simile tusk is used for the curve of Musi River. It enters the city gates like an elephant's teeth. Number 2nd question. Find all the instances of alliteration in the poem. Answer. Alliteration used in the poem are as below: opal and peridot, flashes and scintillates, silver bells hung from silver chains, languid and luminous, symbols and serenades. Now we are on the third question of the poem. We start. Number third question. How has the Musi River been described in the night? Answer. Hyderabad is situated on the banks of Musi River. The poet has portrayed a fascinating picture of the river Musi in the poem. The white river flashes and scintillates in the nightfall when it enters the city Hyderabad. It enters the city gates curved like the dusk. Number 4. What does the poet want us to listen to? The poet wants us to listen the muezzin's call from the tower of the mosques. It is not merely like a call for prayer, but a battle flag that reminds either enthusiasm for war or joy of victory. Now, fifth number question. What has the floating battle flag been compared to? Answer. The floating battle flag has been compared to the calls for prayers with a battle flag. The call of Muezzin is fluttering like the battle flag during night. Number 6 question. How has the splendor become voluminous? Answer. People are enjoying the beauty of the city through their trellised balconies as night is falling in the city of Hyderabad. All the lights are reflected on their faces, make them gleam. Thus, the poet says that the splendor become voluminous. Last question of the poem. Find 4 prominent structures built in the city mentioned in the poem. 4 prominent structures built in the city mentioned in the poem are as below. Number 1. City gates. Number 2. Minarets. Third. Trellised balconies. And the fourth. Charminar.